Hi, I'm Elia from QMetrix. Welcome to today's episode of 2-Minute Tuesdays.
In today's video, we will look at creating reusable matrix reports. Reusable reports enable us to reuse report elements and format settings, which will save time and promote consistency across our reporting. Let's look at an example. Here we have a functional P&L that displays data at the console level, and we've applied the relevant formatting on the rows and on the columns. Next, we'd like to create a similar report, only that it's broken down by different operations levels. So first, let's save this report as a reusable report. Click on the Action menu and select Add to Reusable Reports. Next, let's create a new matrix report. From the Elements tab, expand Reusable Reports and expand the Functional P&L Reusable Report. And now we can see that the columns and rows that were configured in the previous report is available to be reused. So let's drag both of them into this report. And now we just need to layer on the operations levels on the rows. Click on Apply. And now when we run this report, we can see that it looks really similar to the original functional P&L, only that now the data is broken by the different operations levels, while still applying the same accounts and formatting on the report. How easy!
Do you need help with Workday Adaptive Planning? QMetrix provides a health check to assess and optimize your adaptive planning instance. For more information, contact us using the details provided below.